Alright, 5 different ways to make $100 a day online as a 16-year-old. Hey, what's up guys, Shara back with another video. In this video I'll be teaching you 5 different ways that you can make $100 a day as a lazy 16-year-old. If you guys want more videos like this about how you can make money online at home or while traveling around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Alright, let's get into the first one. So the first method is freelance. What freelancing is that you provide digital services to people that are looking for and don't know how to do, or they don't want to learn themselves and do it themselves. So this could be either video editing, photo editing. If someone doesn't know how to do photo editing or video editing and you know how to do it, you can charge them a price and do their video editing or photo editing. Another one is that you can provide a service of coding or website design. If someone is looking for a way to make a website and they don't know how to do it, you can charge them a price to make their website or do some kind of coding for them. Another way is to write articles or blog posts for people that don't want to do it or don't know how to do it. If someone is lazy and they don't want to write a blog post for their blog, they can reach out to someone like you if you're doing blog posts, and you can write them a blog post and give it to them for a price. Or you can write an article for a person that doesn't know how to write an article or is too lazy to do it. Since you're really young, you can learn these skills and develop the skills to charge people a price for a service. Because your brain is really malleable and you can learn stuff really fast because you're young. Second method is Kindle publishing. I guess by now you've heard about Kindle publishing because everyone is doing it, and because everyone's doing it, there's a lot of money in it. There's a lot of competition, and with a lot of competition there's a lot of money to be made. What Kindle publishing is you write a book, an ebook, and publish it to Kindle, Amazon Kindle, and Amazon will bring free traffic to your Kindle ebook, and basically you get sales if your ebook is good. You can write about whatever you want, whatever you're passionate about, whatever you want to teach someone else how to do. You can write a cookbook, you can write something how-to, you can write a story, or basically a story. And a one hack that I'm gonna give you in this video is you can reach out to a person on Fiverr, have them write an ebook for you, and you get that ebook and publish it to Amazon. And then you can reach out to someone else on Fiverr, get them to make you an ebook cover, a really good ebook cover if you don't know how to do it yourself, and you can put it all together and publish it on Amazon, and you get free traffic from Amazon, and you can promote it some other ways. And basically you can put a price on that ebook and make money with it. You can reach like $100 a day or more with this method. A lot of people are doing it. Third way is making a YouTube channel. How do you make money with a YouTube channel, you ask? Well, basically is you make videos about whatever you're passionate about or whatever you want to teach people, and you make a lot of videos because and at first it's really hard. You have to get an audience and subscribers. You don't have to have a lot of subscribers, but you need some subscribers so that YouTube can put ads on your videos, and you need views. That's what basically is going to make you money. Well, you make a video that's really popular and you get a lot of views. And when YouTube puts an ad on that video, they're gonna pay you to put an ad on your video. So basically, YouTube pays you to make videos and put their ads on your video. That's crazy. You have to start making videos and YouTube will pay you to put their ads on your videos, and when you get a lot of views, you can make $100 a day or more if you're a really popular YouTube channel. Fourth way is Udemy. What is Udemy? Udemy is basically a website that has courses on there, and people teach different things on Udemy. That they have courses on Udemy that teach different things. If you have a skill that you're really good at and don't know how to make money with it, you can make a course about that skill. Let's say it's video editing or photo editing or even software programming or coding. You can make a course about that and teach people how to do that. Many people are interested in different things, so they would buy from your course if they want to learn that skill and if your course teaches them a lot of things. Basically, you can make a course about video editing, teach people how to do different things, and you can put a price on that and charge them a price. So that's a really good way of making $100 a day or more. You can put your course $100, and you need one person to buy that a day to make $100 a day. My fifth way and my favorite way is affiliate marketing. What affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products and making a commission. Those commissions can be either 1%, 2%, or it can be 70%. What it is here's a person with the problem and here's a person with the solution. They don't know about each other, but what you do is connect both of them together and you get a commission. That's all. You can combine affiliate marketing with YouTube and make even more money. What you do is grow a YouTube channel and have an audience about that niche or category, and then you can promote affiliate products to your YouTube audience about like the same niche. You can promote that product to your audience and they will buy it because they know, like, and trust you. So you can leverage both of them and make money from both of them, ad revenue and affiliate marketing. That's a really good business idea. I'll make another video about how you can get YouTube to pay you to grow your business. I'll make a video about that. Well, what affiliate marketing is and how people make a lot of money is they leverage systems. They leverage systems to make 6 figures or 7 figures a year or even a month. Well, in the link in the description, I have a system for you that you can leverage to make that kind of money. If you guys are interested, go on the link in the description so you can start to learn how you can make your dream life and travel around the world and quit your job, fire your boss. If you imagine, guys, if you could actually do that, well, you can. Just go on the link in the description. It's gonna take you to that system that I've been leveraging to do the same thing that you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys learned something new, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.